Hey guys, I just wanted, so I created TikTok. Oh, by the way, I'm leaving Mountain Motorsports. I wanted to pick up some parts for the R6 that I'm rebuilding right now. Yeah, because reasons. So I created TikTok, well, my TikTok account, just on a whim when I was bored because of this COVID mess we got going on, and I was not expecting it to blow up the way it did in just a week. Like, right now I'm at over 4,600 followers with over 33.1k likes. And on just one of my videos, the one with the 5.0, 336,000 views. Like, I cannot be more grateful to you guys. Like I said, I wasn't expecting this to become anything. I just wanted to kind of supplement my Instagram, which is still kind of on the ground right now. Same goes for my YouTube. But I was not expecting this kind of support, guys. And at this point, I owe it to you guys to keep pushing out new content. So my plan at this point is to keep up with the TikTok, putting out videos every couple of days. And along with that, I'm going to put more full videos on my YouTube, like this one, and things like tutorials, different meetups that I'm going to, but the meetups are kind of non-existent right now thanks to COVID. Those meetups should start back toward the end of the summer though. I was really expecting to have some footage of the ATL mob ride, but that, which usually starts around April, they start the season, but you know, it's May now, still nothing. So that's gonna be what's gonna be on my YouTube. As far as Instagram, that's gonna be more shortened versions of the YouTube videos, like abbreviated versions of them, along with pictures from different meetups and car shows, bike shows. Please don't come over, it's good. I do not like being around cars. I don't trust you. Once you've been hit so many times by cars, you really don't trust them. Anyway, that's what I'm going to mostly have on the Instagram. So TikTok, same kind of thing, the stupidity. YouTube is going to be more like vlogs. Instagram is going to be pictures and shortened versions of the YouTube. And maybe some other stuff that might be too short for YouTube anyways, but a little bit too long for TikTok. See if that makes sense? Yeah, but right now it's going to be mostly CBR stuff for the remainder of this month, then back to the R6. But it's gonna, I'm putting new bearings on that right now. The previous owner on the R6 rattle canned that thing. So, and there's this huge stain because they use low quality paint. There's this huge, I'm in the wrong lane. There's this huge stain like right here on the tank. So I have the tank off of it also, and it's at a body shop being repainted. But yeah, there's this huge stain right on the corner of it from gas that someone had spilled on it and just left in the sun. So it's baked on there. I tried to remove it with everything. It's not coming. Also, while my R6 is down, I'm debating now. I'm not saying I'm going to go through with this, but while I'm not riding it, I'm thinking I might as well flash the ECU mean, I've already got a power command on it. Got a full system N4, which is crazy loud. I've got a 2 driven sprockets, 520 conversion with 1 down in the front, 2 up in the back, so the acceleration on that thing is wild. But I cap out at like 150. So I also have Speedo DRD to correct the speedometer. It's like a knockoff Speedo healer. It does the exact same thing, just a fraction of the price. I was really hoping to get some races in too. Like after these car meets, especially like Caffeine and Octane, if you're from the Atlanta area, it's up at Perimeter Mall up in Dunwoody. And after the meet, people are always like racing on the interstate of 285. So you can get some really good footage there. R6. Sound like a stock. What are you? Kind of regular RT. But yeah, there's always people racing down the interstate after that meetup, and there's always all these modded high-end cars. I had fun with some 5.0s that day too. There's a purple one and a blue one. We raced literally all the way down to 85 to 20. I had a passenger on the back and was still taking names. So hopefully that stuff starts back up soon, but safely. That's the key word for me. I don't want to start going back to these things if it's a risk. But yeah, guys, just keep on tuning in to my Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and I'm hoping to have a lot more footage coming to you guys, including more R6 activities. The fun stuff, the fun high-speed stuff. Because this thing is not that fast. I mean, it's faster than most cars, but, well, I should say quicker than most cars. On the top end, they'll get me. This one isn't really exhilarating. It just does what it does, and it gets really good fuel economy. I mean, I've run up on a Hellcat with this bike before, and it was embarrassing. I'm just gonna leave it at that. It was embarrassing. Drop a like down below or a comment if you want me to put that on TikTok. Because I haven't put it up there because it was so embarrassing. And it was almost a year ago. I would not do that. But if you want me to put it up, just drop a like or a comment. And it'll be up to you guys. I'm gonna stop right here for some gas. And I'll catch you guys later.